Welcome to Bezi, a no-code collaborative 3D design platform. If you're a 3D designer, you may have realized that traditional 3D design tools haven't really caught up with today's modern collaborative design processes. Bezi is helping modernize 3D teams' design workflows to better meet today's demands by providing a robust 3D foundation made up of features like a node-based interaction design editor, user hand and body positioning tools, and 3D asset placeholders that help you quickly turn ideas into interactive prototypes. Being web-based, unlocking convenient file access and seamless collaboration with anyone, asynchronously or in real time through a browser. Bezi allows designers to share files with anyone without worrying about device compatibility concerns for device-agnostic collaboration. Here's how that looks like in spatial design. Bezi enables designers to start creating lo-fi prototypes during the concept development phase and later evolve them into interactive high-fidelity demos. These can be 3D apps that augment a user's environment or fully immersive experiences that transport them to a new world. In game design, Bezi provides robust tools that simplify the composition of complex 3D interactive elements in environments. Game designers can use the no-code editor to quickly concept out rough scenes and flows, eliminating the time spent writing code that will never see the light of day. These are just a few ways designers use Bezi today. Jump in to follow along to see how Bezi can change your creative workflow. We'll see you there.